Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add radiating love effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, you just click on the effect at the bottom. Click on it, and then after this you can click on the video effect. And at the menu you can click on the love. This is the love menu. You can click on it, and in here you can see this is the newest effect on CapCut. This is the radiating love, so you just click on it, and after this you can click check icon in here. And now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust, and then you can adjust for the speed, for the filter, and then for the background animation. And after this you can click check icon in here, and now you can set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add a radiating love effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.